Good morning, Jennifer.
Hi, how are you doing?
So, tell me a little bit about Otrati.
It's a long name. It's Oregon Translational Research and Development Institute. We were created in 2007 through a grant from the state of Oregon, and we were primarily funded from the state of Oregon and from grants from the Department of Commerce, from the Economic Development Administration through an I-6 Challenge grant. We're a private nonprofit, and our mission is to help small bioscience companies and researchers in Oregon to find funding. Now that could be through grants or private funding, venture capital, etc. The whole reason the state wants to fund us is that we help to keep bioscience companies and jobs here in Oregon. So we've seen a large expansion of bioscience companies in Oregon, a lot of spin-off companies from the universities, as well as people who just have wonderful ideas have come to us for help. We've helped them to incorporate their companies here in the state, write their first small business grants, provide them with scientific expertise, and now we're in a place where we can actually have a house for some of these companies.
Oh.